Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is making faux fruit slices. To do this, you'll want something to mold your slices in. I'm using the bottom of a soda can, 1½ sticks of hot glue per slice, adjust the amount to fit your mold, food coloring, and off-white raffia paper twist. You'll want paint for the rind. I used Delta Ceramcoat Pumpkin, Apple Barrel Burnt Umber, and Apple Barrel Harvest Orange to make orange slices. You'll also want an oven and baking sheet or open flame for melting the glue, a craft stick to stir the glue, maybe pliers to hold the mold, scissors, a paintbrush, and more hot glue to assemble the slices. Begin by cleaning your mold. I used alcohol to clean the printing off the bottom of my soda cans. Then cut 1½ glue sticks into small pieces and place them in each mold. You might want more or less if you're using a different mold. I melted these in a 350-degree oven, but I also made one slice by melting the hot glue over an open flame. Stir in a few drops of food coloring. I used 3 drops of orange for my orange slices. Then allow the glue to melt a little more so that it becomes flat and a little bubbly. Allow the glue to cool and then remove the tinted glue circles from your mold. Cut them like a pie. I cut mine into 8 wedges and then remove the tip of each wedge for a hole in the center of your slice. Then cut pieces of the raffia twist to fit between the slices and reassemble your circle with hot glue, alternating the glue wedges and raffia twist pieces. Trim your raffia. Now glue another piece of raffia around the outside of your circle. I folded mine over a little for some thickness. Now paint the outside of your slice with a solid color. I used Delta Ceramcoat Pumpkin, and once that has dried, use a stenciling brush to dab a darker color over that to give the appearance of a fruit slice's texture. I mixed the pumpkin color with burnt umber and harvest orange. You may wish to dab more of the original color if it looks too dark. And that's it. Faux fruit slices that are very realistic looking. Here are mine in a winter garland. Happy crafting!